old England forever. Farewell to my rumskulls as well. Farewell to that well-known Old Bailey, where I once used to cut such a swell. Singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, singing tooralai-ooralai-ay, singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, we're bound for Botany Bay. There's the captain as is our commander, there's the boatswain and all the ship's crew, there's the first and the second class passengers, knows what we poor convicts go through. Singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, singing tooralai-ooralai-ay, singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, we're bound for Botany Bay. Tain't leaving old England we cares about, nor cause we misspells what we knows, but because we like finger gentry, hops around with a log on our toes. Singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, singing tooralai-ooralai-ay, singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, we're bound for Botany Bay. For 7 long years I'll be staying here, for 7 long years and a day, just for meeting a cove in an alley and stealing his ticker away. Singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, singing tooralai-ooralai-ay, singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, we're bound for Botany Bay. Oh, had I the wings of a turtle dove, I'd soar on my pinions so high, slap bang to the arms of my Polly love, and in her sweet presence I'd die. Singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, singing tooralai-ooralai-ay, singing tooralai-ooralai-adity, we're bound for Botany Bay. Now all you young duckies and duchesses, take warning from what I might say. Mind all is your own that you touches, or you'll find us in Botany Bay.